Okay. Mm, training. Okay. Yeah, reference to it must be in uppercase. Yeah. Mhm. So chase location. I believe location is not important, so that's fine because if we have chase like yeah, if we have created this, then I believe this might be used for filtering. So yeah, let's create a business unit. So it's going to be a branch, right? Mm, let's have it as New York, New York. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, just chase sitting. I'm saving this. Save and close. Then again, let's create one for CA. Ideally, Chase is a, I mean, Chase can be, I mean, Chase CA can be set up for set up under another data set, reference data set, because um, no, not no. I'm just a bit confused. Okay, this is correct. So we have created two. One is for New York and another one is for CA.
Mm.
So I've saved it.
Yesterday we created the legal entity, right? The
Yes, yes, we have created legal entity.
Now under legal entity we are creating business unit, right?
No, business unit is separate. We are not using, like, we are not assigning it. We have just created the business unit.
Okay.
So business unit, both the business units are set under one. This one. What is it? Common set, reference data set.
Mhm.
Yeah. So we will assign it. Assign the business unit. Yeah. How we have to assign it is using the assign uh, business unit. So there is a task called assign business unit business function. Mm, wait a second. You see user set. So select and add, apply. So business unit Chase is the business unit that we have. So we have two. I'm selecting Chase for now. I mean, yeah, so close. Business unit, business function. Mm. Uh, like he also mentioned that we may not have access to few of the areas. So not sure. See, assign legal entities. Assign manage assignment status. Organization structure.